Hello everyone, welcome to the project submission for CS50 Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python named Degrees. So without wasting any time, let's go to the code. Let me first share my screen to the code editor. Okay, now that we are okay, I was there already. Okay, so let's go to the shortest path function that we had to write. So the first thing that we are going to do is create an empty array of the explored actors. This will save the list of all the actors that we have already explored. We'll go in detail about this later on. After that, we'll create a root node which has a state of the person, which is the source that we have provided in the shortest path, and the parent is none, and the actions is also none. Once this is done, we'll initialize the queue frontier named queue. Once this is also done, we will add the root element to the queue. Once all of this is done, our actual algorithm starts over here, where we loop, where we go on a constant loop while the loop is not empty. And once we get into the loop, we'll first start by removing the first element from the queue and saving it as the node. And this node element, we will check if the name of the actor matches the target name. So if that matches, we'll get the path. I'll get into this function in detail later on. Once we check this, and if it does not match, we'll go to the traversing of its neighbors, that is the actors that have worked together, and add them to the queue as well, which is being done over here. And we will only add the actors if they are not in the explored actors, and if they are not, we'll also add that actor in the explored actors array as well, and we'll add the actors that he or she has worked with in the queue frontier. Once that is done, this loop is going to repeat itself till it matches the state of the person, of the target, and the one that is and the name of the actor in the current node. So this goes on while this condition is satisfied. Once it does, it breaks the loop. We had the explored actors array over here to reduce the complexity of the algorithm and to make sure that it does not go into an infinite loop, because if you don't do it, this will definitely go into an infinite loop. So better have this and save a lot of headache and computation power as well. This also reduces the complexity, and in case it does not match, it's just going to return none as the return value. And so let's get into the get path. It basically returns a tuple of array with the movie ID and the person ID. So yeah, so it's basically to just print the description of the degrees of separation that they had. So now let's get into the project execution. Okay, so as you can see, I have already executed it. Let me execute it again on the small data set only. Let's get started. Okay, so let's search for some people. Let's go to Kevin. It's like a good name to start with. And let's go to Jack. Okay, so they have 1 degree of separation, so they have worked in the movie together and a few good men. So okay, so let's try another one. Let's try to get something with a few more. Let me see. Oh yeah, so you can see now Dustin and Kerry have 5 degrees of separation. So let me try this out as well. Yeah, as you can see, there is no degrees of so they are not connected. Let's try a few more cases. We go with Dustin. Let's go with Thomas. So they have 3 degrees of separation. Thank you. See you later. Bye.